Volume number 14. Nama Visheshana. Nama Visheshana. Adjectives. Adjectives. නාම විශේෂණ යනු නාම පදයක් ගැන යම්කිසි විස්තරයක් ගෙන දෙන පද වර්ගයකි. අපි බල්ලෙකු ගැන කතා කරනවායි සිතමු. black dog. කළු බල්ලා. මෙහි බල්ලා ගැන හැඳින්වීමක් කිරීමට කළු යන වචනය යොදාගෙන ඇත. ඒ විට එහි නාම විශේෂණය black යන්නයි. එවැනි නාම විශේෂණ වාක්‍යවල යෙදෙන හැටි බලන්න. ජයන්ත is a good boy. ජයන්ත is a good boy. ජයන්ත හොඳ ළමයෙකි. He is a clever driver. He is a clever driver. ඔහු දක්ෂ රියදුරකි. කමලා is a clever girl. කමලා is a clever girl. කමලා දක්ෂ ළමයෙකි. It is a nice big room. It is a nice big room. එය කදිම ලොකු කාමරයකි. He is a kind teacher. He is a kind teacher. ඔහු කරුණාවන්ත ගුරුවරයෙකි. විවාහාරයේදී නිතර භාවිතා වන නාම විශේෂණ පද කීපයක් ඉගෙන ගන්න. bad නරක, long දිග, short කොට, hot උණු උණුසුම්, thick ඝන, tall උස, ugly කැත, sweet මිහිරි පෙන් රස, fair තලෙලු, terrible භයානක, happy සතුටු, fat තර මහත, intelligent ඥානවන්ත, hard තද, heavy බර, old මහලු පරණ, foolish මෝඩ, poor දුප්පත්, splendid ඉතා කදිම. නාම විශේෂණ පද ඔබට පහසුවෙන් හඳුනාගත හැකි වනු ඇත. පාඩම්වලදී හමුවන එවැනි පද වෙන්කර හඳුනා ගන්න. හොඳයි, එහෙමනම් අපි ඊළඟ පාඩමේදී කාල භේදය tenses ගැන කතා කරමු. අපි දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ඉගෙන ගනිමු. Number 241 calculate ගණිනවා ගණන් කරනවා. Number 242 calm නිශ්චල සංසුන් සාන්ත. Number 243 canal කැපූ ඇල දිය මාර්ගය. Number 244 cancel අවලං කරනවා ඉරියඳ කපා දමනවා. Number 245 candy සූකිරි. Number 246 capital ප්‍රධාන ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ. Number 247 caprice චපල බව හිතුවක්කාරකම. Number 248 caravan තවලම. Number 249 car case මලකුණ. Number 250 casket කරඬුව හෙප්පුව. Number 251 cemetery සෝහන් බිම මිනි පිට්ටනිය. Number 252 century සතවර්ෂය 100. Number 253 shaft දහයිය බොල් පොතු. Number 254 challenge අභියෝගය තරඟයකට කැඳවීම. Number 255 champion වීරයා සටන විවාදය. Number 256 chance වාරය පස්තාව. Number 257 change වෙනස් කරනවා මාරු කරනවා. Number 258 character චරිතය ගතිය කල්ක්‍රියාව. Number 259 charity කරුණාව ත්‍යාගශීලීභාවය. Number 260 chatter වල්පල් දොඩනවා වාචාලය. Number 261 chew විකනවා හපනවා. Number 262 choose තෝරනවා තෝරා ගන්නවා. Number 263 claim අයිතිවාසිකම් කියා සිටිනවා. Number 264 clarify පිරිසුදු කරනවා පැහැදිලි කරනවා. Number 265 classical ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ සම්භාවනීය. Number 266 clean පිරිසුදු කරනවා. Number 267 clear ඉවත් කරනවා පැහැදිලි කරනවා. Number 268 cloth කැටි ගැහෙනවා මිදෙනවා. Number 269 cloud වලාකුළු වලින් වැහෙනවා. Number 270 cluster පොකුර වල්ල. Children, please listen this dialogue and try to understand what they are talking and see their pronunciations clear, understandable, polite and beauty of the English speaking.
This is delicious. What's in it?
Lots of good stuff. There's noodles and vegetables and soy sauce and sesame oil.
There must be some red peppers, too. It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, there are. Do you like spicy food?
It's okay if it's not too spicy.
Do you want to visit my brother after dinner?
I'd rather go to a movie. We can see your brother another time.
All right.
Sarah, this is fantastic banana cream pie.
Thank you. It was easy to make. Would you like the recipe?
Yes, please. What ingredients did you use?
I used bananas, fresh cream, flour, and a touch of honey.
Honey? Really? I guess that's what makes it taste so sweet.
Yeah, honey's the secret ingredient.
Hey, could I please have one more piece?
Wow, you've got quite a sweet tooth tonight. Let's have the pad see ew.
I'd rather have the pad thai.
Okay, I'll try pad thai. Is it spicy?
You can get it mild, medium, or hot. I like mine hot and spicy.
I like mine mild.
Okay then, 2 pad thais. Do you want iced coffee to drink?
No, I prefer iced tea.
All right, we're ready to order.
Okay, we've got broccoli, asparagus, and vinegar. What else do we need?
Let me see the recipe again. Oh, yeah, we need a half cup of soy sauce.
Here you go.
Do we have any sesame seeds?
I think so, if I can find them. Yeah, here they are.
Great.
Do we need any more ingredients?
Well, you want it mild, medium, or spicy?
I like it medium.
Okay, then let's add a couple of red peppers. They're in the fridge. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a New York steak, medium well.
New York steak. Very good. And you, sir? I'll have a T-bone. Well done. And a chef salad. All right. Would you like something to drink?
Could I have a glass of red wine, please?
Certainly. And you? I would like a beer. What time is it?
It's 2:30.
Could you tell me the time?
Yes, it's 10 till 9.
What time will you meet her?
At 6:30. What day of the week is it?
It's Monday. When was your birthday?
It was on the 1st of the month.
What's today's date?
It's May 26th.
How long was the meeting?
It was 2 hours. How long does it take to get there?
It takes 30 minutes. What's today's date?
It's August 10th.
Uh-oh. I forgot to send a birthday card to my sister.
When's her birthday?
It's on the 12th.
Oh, that's soon. You should send it today.
What time does the post office close today?
I think it closes at noon.
What? Why does it close so early?
Probably because it's Saturday.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's too late then.
But it's only 11:45.
I know, but it takes 30 minutes to get to the post office from here.
What time is it?
It's almost 5.
Great! It's almost time to go home. Why don't we go get some dinner?
I'd love to, but I still have some work to finish.
How much longer do you think it'll take?
Probably a few more hours.
Really? Okay then, how about tomorrow?
Sure, that's fine. I'll be free anytime after 4.
Let's meet at 5.
Thank you so much and see you again in the next lesson as soon as possible.